Hello and welcome to the Cryptocurrency News channel. Well, we got a bit of relief today as crypto almost soared past $18,000, and I think it did actually for a little while. However, the thing is, we know that Almeida Research and FTX completely crashed, bringing us down to $15,500. But the CPI was better than normal. It actually fell to the lowest point since January. So we are making some progress. I mean, yes, stuff is still expensive, but I expect what actually brought it down was that car prices have been coming down and house prices have been coming down. Me personally, I have not seen food prices come down. Oil is still in that $80 area, and honestly, gas should be about $2.50 or like $3, not above $3. The reason gas is so high is because of companies price gouging. Is not really because of international oil demand or international oil price. You can see the price of oil is 86.74, Brent's 90.90. That should signal about $3 gas, maybe like $2.80 gas, not like $3.50 gas. That is pure price gouging by the oil companies. It's really not much anyone else can do about it. I mean, we tried to pass like an anti-price gouging law, but it kind of like got blocked in Congress. So not much we can do about that, but just the fact that the CPI did come in lower than expected, fell by 0.3, really lifted stocks. Stocks went up 1,200 points, and basically crypto followed as well. Now there could be still way more fallout from the SBF case, because like now the United States and the EU is going after Sam Bankman-Fried. It's actually asking Binance to give whatever information they have about FTX, and I don't think Binance is going to hold back and try to protect Sam Bankman-Fried because we know there's some kind of feud between CZ and SBF. So SBF may actually be going to jail, but the economy at least stabilizing in other sectors could actually be what saves crypto from tanking any further. There still could be further dumps because of this FTX fallout, but the economy isn't going to play into it all that much because the Dow Jones just rose 1,201 points. Now, as winter nears, I do believe we have enough on our reserves, and Europe has enough in their reserves to actually hold out gas for this winter. So, and then we'll have to see what happens with the Russian war next year. We know that Russia is slowly retreating out of parts of Ukraine like Kherson, but we can't really take that as a sign that the war is going to end or that Russia is going to relinquish their Ukrainian held territory. So we'll have to see what happens in the long run, but it looks like gas has stabilized down from the super high prices it was at like earlier in the year. And it looks like inflation is finally somewhat stabilizing down thanks to home prices and car prices coming down. I think the job market is a little bit weaker because, Facebook just laid off 11,000 people and other tech companies are doing the same. So I think the Fed may look at pivoting a little bit sooner in order to help the economy right now. So at least that's actually playing in our favor. So right now, temporarily going into the weekend, we actually might be bullish on the overall economy, which means we actually might be a little bit bullish at least on cryptocurrency because we dumped so much. Obviously, it depends a lot on how FTX liquidates. Right now, they are trying to liquidate. They're trying to bring down Tether because they shorted Tether. At least it looks like Almeida Research has tried to short Tether. But it's not working because Tether does have that redeem feature. So I don't think the rest of the crypto market is screwed. If you're in FTX or if you're using FTX as a trading service, you are kind of screwed. But for everyone else, it looks like the general economy turning could actually be the savior right now. So that's the news for today. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe, hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.